10 out of 10 condition. Look at it, it's just literally sparkling. What we're gonna be doing in this video is really simple. It's just gonna be a simple drop. So this is gonna be very interesting. What happens to the phone if it survives? I'm gonna have to have a camera at the bottom. Hopefully it'll be recording and everything will be iPhone XS. You guys can see, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was crazy loud. I don't know where it landed, but we just located the phone, guys. This is actually on floor 9, and I want to show you guys the damage here just from the back. This was a brand new phone, and now look at the condition. Surprisingly, the camera looks normal, but man, I hope I can get that footage. So basically, the only thing I could do at this point is just tap the phone and it turns on. I can't unlock it. I can't hit the power.